Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. I got a product review I'm going to do today for a company that sent us a light. We've been needing a light for our tractor shed out here. We don't have any lights out there. When I go out at night, I've always got to carry a flashlight, and so it's kind of dark. And so I've got this light from this company called Sansi it's a floodlight. It's not a very big one, but it's a nice light, and I'm going to mount it out there because I need some light out there. And it's a 50-watt light. They do mention on the box here that it's for a garden, lawn, yard, whatever. They don't tell me if it's waterproof or anything like that, but I'm going to be putting it up inside my metal shed out here. So I don't think it's really going to matter about the waterproof part because it's dry in there. But I'm going to show you the light. It does plug up, and it's an LED light, which is, this is pretty much something I've been looking for. I'm getting where I'm not wanting to use fluorescents anymore because I put fluorescent lights all up in my shop out there, and they're going out on me. Constantly. I've tried the T12s, the T8s. I'm constantly having them things that won't last no time, and they go out, and they're so expensive to replace, the ballast, the bulbs. It comes with its own power cord. You can plug it in. It rotates. This part here can rotate. You can mount it on any angle. The back part here has a screw thing here where you can screw it. I'm going to be screwing it to the ceiling like this, and where I can angle it in whatever angle I want. It'll angle up to 120 degrees. It's a 50 watt I mentioned there, but I'm going to mount it out there, and I'll have to get me a plug-in installed to plug it in with, but you know what? I may just use an extension cord for the time being until I see if I'm going to really like it or not. I don't know anything about the price of it, anything like that. I do know I have one at the shop that's similar to this. It's a motion detector light that I got from the same company, and it is so bright. If you walk in front of it, it's like the sun comes up. I mean, it's that bright. And I'm well pleased with it. It's really good because if I'm headed toward the barn at night and I just start walking in that direction, it just pops on. I mean, it lights up the whole perimeter of the place out there. And also, if someone or something went to move around my barn, this thing would come on automatically, and I would be able to know it was on because I'd see the light on out there, and that would tell me that there's something out there. So it's also a security thing, that one is, but this one looks to be just as bright because it's got the same number of LEDs and all in it as that one does, from the same company. It's just made different for different application. The other one's waterproof. I don't know about this one, but we're going to be mounting it out there, and then we'll show you after we mount it. We'll show it mounted, where we're mounting it, how we're going to mount it, and we'll show it plugged up at night. In this video, you'll be able to see the difference that it's going to make underneath the shed. So let's get out there and let's see if we can get this thing mounted, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we're out here at my shed. I keep my tractor underneath. This thing is, we have no lights out here like I mentioned to you, but I took the new Sansi light and I hooked it up here, and it's a 50 watt floodlight made for putting outdoors like this under buildings and stuff. So we have got it under here. I don't have my tractor here right now, but we've got it opened up, and I've got it kind of wired up temporarily to just do the demonstration with. Where the plug-in's at over here, I'm gonna put a waterproof box with and come down the pole. I'm gonna put a light switch there so I can switch it on and off, and conduit and everything. But for the demonstration of this light, I just hooked an extension cord up to show y'all what it looked like. And I'm gonna move around to the other side of the shed right now and show you, kind of looking back into it, the look that it gives. Now, it's not completely dark, but you should be able to get an idea about how well it's lighting it up here. Okay guys, I hope y'all can see in the camera and be able to notice how bright this light is. It's going to be perfect for using underneath this. I think this building is 12 foot wide and 18 or 20 feet long. It's going to be perfect for that. We're hoping to be able to utilize this space now. We can close the walls in on the side maybe for a garage or something like that. And we'll have plenty of light under here if we need to work on something. For cooking our cane syrup this coming fall, we always cook it right underneath here, so this is going to be able to give us light to do that with. It's going to be a real blessing to have this light here. So this is the Sansi floodlight, 50 watt light. It's what we needed underneath our shed here. And if you're interested in it, there'll be a link in the description down below to the Sansi company and this particular light. And maybe if you're interested in one of them for your shed, you know, it saves electricity. It's LED. I don't know what else I can say about it other than it seems like it's going to be the light that we're going to be able to use here in our shed and have it work good for us here. So thank y'all from Deep South Homestead.